This is the box of the Vivo U10 and it looks pretty minimalistic. The phone's name is printed on both sides. Some key specifications are mentioned at the back. Now let's get on with the unboxing. The first thing we see is a sleeve. We'll check this out in a bit. First, let's take a look at the phone. The Vivo U10 is packed neatly in plastic. Let's take it out and boot it up. So the phone has volume and power buttons on the right. The tray for 2 nano SIM slots and the micro SD card slot is on the left. The bottom has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB port, and a single speaker grill, while the top is blank. Now let's see what's in the sleeve. First, we get a SIM eject tool. Then there's a soft TPU case. And finally, some documents. Moving on, next there's a USB cable and an 18-watt fast charging brick. The Vivo U10 features a 6.35-inch display with an HD+ resolution. There's a dewdrop notch at the top which houses an 8-megapixel front camera. This smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC. The Vivo U10 runs on FunTouch OS 9.1, which is based on Android 9 Pie. Other key specifications include a fingerprint sensor on the back and a 5000 mAh battery. 18-watt fast charging is supported. The Vivo U10 sports triple rear cameras, which include a 13-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor.